Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 28th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing just 19 points down move at the level of 11,905. So yesterday, Indian markets have done pretty great for itself. It crossed the all-time high of 11,860, which was previous, and now the all-time high is 12,041 levels. So probably that may also be crossed very soon. So probably it is happening in this week itself or probably the next week. Let's watch. Let's see what US markets have done. 95 points up on Dow Jones, and Nasdaq was up on 8 points and 3.82 points up on S&P. So this was on Friday because yesterday it was closed for Memorial Day. So there will not be much of a significance of US markets on the US market, on SGX Nifty and Indian markets. So seeing the cues from from SGX Nifty itself, Indian markets will open in flat to green in today's pre-open and continue in positive in open session. Indian markets have delivered a blast yesterday. It came down all the way to the level of 11,631 in the day before yesterday's session, and that is on Friday. And yesterday it gave one big move, and that was till the level of 11,925 levels. So the Indian markets have blown the expectations. It has reached the all-time high, and now it is at the highest level ever in Indian markets. So that's it. That's the highest closing ever in Indian markets in yesterday's session. So let's see what slow stochastic is denoting. Slow stochastic is denoting that it is at 75.07, and fast stochastic is denoting it is at 87.52 levels. So this denotes that we are almost entering the overbought zone, and we may see some correction in the markets soon. And what is MACD suggesting? MACD is outright positive, and it has a great momentum on the top. That's the positive side. So we see that MACD is at 69 and exponential at 14, which means that we have a very good momentum on the upper side. That's what it is indicating as of now. So that's the levels of slow stochastic, fast stochastic, what actually the market can do. And let's see if the market has to come down, what are the supports and what are the resistances we have to watch out for. Resistances, we actually have only one, which is 12,000, which is a psychological resistance, and the all-time high the Indian markets have actually scaled up to, that is 12,041 levels. That will be a resistance if the market has to go upwards. So that is the resistances. The supports are ample as of now. So the first support comes at the level of 11,816 levels, and of course 11,800 and 11,759 and 11,732 levels, and 11,700 levels is a psychological support, and 11,659 and 11,630 levels are the levels of supports we have to watch out for in today's session. So if that is barred, then probably we may see the levels till 11,500 coming up. So that's about it. That's the technical knowledge for yours for today, that is 28th May 2019. If you want all this technical knowledge and beat the FD returns, I will be teaching you 5 strategies which makes you money in any kind of market. If the market goes up, market comes down, market stays in a very stringent small zone. So if anything happens, you will make at least 3%, with hedging. So that's what I'll be teaching next week. So click on the first link in the description below for all the information about it. Okay. Alright. So having said that, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.